In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $10,000 per month in affiliate marketing using other people's email list. So, if you're ready to make some sweet affiliate commissions, keep watching. When it comes to affiliate marketing, having an email list is one of the best ways to generate consistent sales, commissions, and drive traffic to your offers. However, if you don't have an email list of your own, you can go ahead and leverage other people's email list. And you can do this by buying solo ads. Now, there are many different solo ad platforms around, but one of my favorite solo ad platforms is this one right here called Solo Ads X. Now, unlike other solo ad platforms, Solo Ad X offers handpicked solo ad vendors that have proven track records and get you opt-ins and sales. And they provide excellent results if you're promoting offers in the make money online niche or work from home opportunities. Now, as I mentioned before, they only use handpicked solo ad vendors. They only have a few solo ad vendors that have proven track records of getting people consistent results, leads, sales, and commissions. Best of all, they offer 100% human traffic, no bots whatsoever. They also offer opt-in guarantees, push button traffic source, and as I mentioned before, this works best for the make money online offers or work from home opportunities. Now, to make use of Solo Ads X, we need to go ahead and click on one of the vendors that they recommend, take a look at their profile, and see what they have to offer. So let's take a look at this guy, Tim, and let's take a look at this guy, Peter. Once you click on a link for a vendor, it will take you over to their personal solo ads page. Now, on this page, they'll have a ton of information on what makes their solo ad package so great. So you can just scroll down, look through the information that they have, and see if this seller would be right for you. You can take a look at some of the results that they've generated, testimonials from other people, and there are tons of testimonials on these pages, and they will give an overview of exactly what they offer in their packages. And then you can go ahead and choose the plan that is right for you. So what I really like about Solo Ads X and their vendors is that they are really affordable. So you can get clicks for as low as $35 with this vendor, Tim, and even premium clicks are very affordable, just $45 for 100% tier 1 clicks, and they offer 100 unique clicks. So let's take a look at this other vendor. His name is Peter, and again, we're taking over to his personal solo ads page. So there'll be a ton of information on what he offers and what makes it so great. And I really love the client testimonials, so I would highly recommend that you go ahead and check out the testimonials before making a purchase. And these testimonials that we're seeing on the screen right here are from Facebook groups, so you can also join Facebook solo ad testimonial groups to see what people are saying about various vendors. And then you can take a look at the packages that they offer, and again, the packages are super affordable. So right here we can see we have 100 clicks for just $33 at 33 cents per click, and it's 95% tier 1 traffic. So that's basically how you go about navigating the Solo Ads X platform, finding a vendor and vetting their content to see if they're right for you. Now, another great platform to find solo ad vendors from is Udemy. Now, this platform has been around for a long time and it has tons and tons of solo ad vendors. And the best part is Udemy is great for make money online offers, work from home opportunities, but it doesn't stop there. It has solo ad vendors across all niches. So once you sign up to Udemy, it's totally free. The first thing you want to do is click on Find Sellers. And what you want to look for are sellers with high ratings or sellers that have been on the platform for a long time, because that would mean they have a proven track record. So we can see that this lady, Miriam, has over 1,000 thumbs up. Kevin has over 3,000 thumbs ups, and Glenn has over 6,000 thumbs up. So more than likely, these are very good solo ad vendors. Now, there are other solo ad platforms and vendors out there that you can take a look at, right? And one of the ways you can find these platforms or these vendors is by coming to Facebook and searching for solo ad testimonials. And there will be tons and tons of solo ad testimonial groups on Facebook just like this one. So what you want to do is head over to Facebook, search for these groups and join these groups. Then you want to scroll through and take a look at the feedback from customers. So like this guy, Rafe, he purchased from this vendor called Wayne Crow. He ordered 100 clicks, 100 clicks were delivered, 100% tier 1 clicks, and he had 52 opt-ins and 1 sale. And again, we have David giving a testimony on Wayne Crow and Michael also doing the same. So we just want to use this information that we find to make an informed decision on who we want to purchase solo ads from. Now, once we have found a vendor that we're satisfied with and we want to go ahead and buy some solo ads from, the next step is to go ahead and choose an offer that we want to promote. And one of the platforms that we can use to choose an offer from is ClickBank. So we can just come here and log in. Once we're inside of ClickBank, we want to go to the ClickBank marketplace and we want to choose an offer that corresponds with the solo ad vendors that we're using. So in this case, we want to choose an offer in the e-money and e-marketing niche. The next step is to choose an offer with a high gravity score. So this one has 224 for its gravity score, which is really good. And then we want to also ensure that it offers good commission. So $59 per sale, that is pretty good, but you can find offers with higher commissions per sale. So for this offer, we're going to go with the live chat jobs, and they say you have to try this one, so we're going to try it. And once we've selected an offer that we want to choose, the next step is to click promote. And then we want to click create hop link. And then ClickBank will give you a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote your offers. So let's go ahead and copy this and save it somewhere to find it later. Next, we want to jump over to the affiliate page. So let's click on affiliate page right here. And what we're looking for are email swipes. So we can see that they have email swipes right here. So let's click here. And as you can see, they've already written up some high converting email swipes that we can use to promote this offer using our affiliate links and solo ads. So we can go ahead and read through these emails and choose anyone that we want to use. And then we just select that, add our affiliate links and pass it on to the solo ad vendors. So I'm going to go with email number 4 for an example. So we can see it has a subject line, it has a pre-header, and it has a pretty decent body. And when you read through these emails, they're really well written, and it's something that would make people want to go ahead and click and check out the opportunity. So I'll just copy this email, add it to a Google Doc, format it with my affiliate links, and then I'll pass it on to the solo ad vendor that I want to work with. So copy, and I'm going to paste it into my Google Doc right here. And then I'm going to do a bit of formatting in terms of adding in my affiliate link. So let me go ahead and grab my affiliate link from my notepad. And right here where it says click here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight it. And then I'm going to click right here to add a link. So I'm going to add the link right there. And we're already set. This email is ready to be passed on to the solo ad vendor of our choosing. And we are ready to promote this offer using our unique affiliate link. So what's going to happen is that the solo ad vendor is going to take this email with your affiliate link and they're going to send it out to their list. And the people on their email list are going to start reading your email. And if the offer is relevant, they're going to go ahead and click your affiliate link right here to check out the offer. If they go ahead and purchase through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission, which as we saw over here is $59. Now, there are many other places that you can go ahead and find offers to promote. And I like to come to this website called munchai.com, which is basically a launch calendar that shows all the upcoming launches in the digital marketing space. And as you can see, we have a ton of launches coming up. So we have many vendors launching new products every single day. So what you can do is you can go through the different offers and see which one you like to promote and see if they already have their affiliate details prepared for you to promote. So for example, let's take a look at this offer from Tim. Here we can see that they have a JV page, which is very similar to an affiliate page on ClickBank. So let's click this. And this page will give us all the details we need to promote this offer effectively. And what we're really looking for here is how to get our affiliate links and how to get our email swipes. So let's get our affiliate links. And once we click here, it's going to take us over to the platform that this offer is being launched on. So once we do, they're going to take us over to this platform called JVZoo, which is similar to ClickBank. It's a marketplace that products are launched on. So if you don't have a JVZoo account or you don't have an account for the platform that they're selling their products on, you'll need to go ahead and sign up to that platform and then log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and get approval. So to get approval, you just simply need to type a message here and say, hey, look, I want to promote your product. This is how I'm going to promote it. And this is why you should let me promote it, right? And once you're satisfied with the message that you have, you click I'm not a robot and then you click request approval. And let's jump back over here and take a look at the email swipes that they've already written for us. So we can see that they have done many different subject lines for these email swipes. And as we scroll down, we can see the different emails that we can use to promote this offer. So we don't even have to write anything. So then we just want to copy one of these emails and we want to go ahead and add our affiliate links once we've been approved to these emails. And we want to go ahead and pass that on to the solo ad vendor and say, hey, I'm going to purchase this amount of clicks, promote this offer for me. All right. And let's just recap this part. So once again, we can jump over to this website called munchai.com and we can find a ton of product launches that's going on right here. And we can just choose any product that we want, click it, go to your JVZoo page, get our affiliate links, get our email swipes, and pass these on to the solo ad vendor to promote for us. And I want to show you one final platform that you can find great products and offers to promote on. And this platform is actually System.io. If you don't already have an account for System.io, it's completely free to sign up and it's free forever. So you can use the link in the description to sign up to System.io, get you a free account, and then we can jump over to the System.io marketplace to get some free offers that we can promote. So inside the System.io marketplace, there are many offers that you can go ahead and promote. What we want to do is go here and click affiliate programs. And we can choose any of these offers to promote. So I'm going to choose the vendor System.io because they have really great offers that I've actually made quite a bit of money from in the past. And we can see all the offers that they have right here. And then we just need to choose an offer that we want to promote. So I'm going to choose this one for this example because it's an offer that I already promoted using this method and I did make quite a bit of commissions. And even to this day, I'm earning recurring commissions from this offer. So let's click on it. So we can see we have an opt-in page and also a sales page that we can promote. And we also have an information page. So let's click on the information page first. And here on the information page, we can see that we have a ton of information, including email swipes. So let's go ahead and click here to download the email swipes. And these are all the email swipes that we can use to promote this offer. So what we want to do is go ahead and copy one of these emails, add our affiliate links, and go ahead and pass this on to our solo vendor. So to get your affiliate link to promote this offer, you need to click here or here. So let's click sales page. And it's going to take us to the actual sales page that people are going to purchase from. And what we want to do is copy this URL right here. So this is our affiliate links, and we want to add these into our emails. Okay, so now we have found our solo ad vendors, we've set up our emails, and we have our affiliate links. Just one tip before adding your affiliate links to your emails. So you're going to want to search on Google for a URL shortener like bit.ly.com or tinyurl. So let's use bit.ly.com. So here at bit.ly, you're going to want to go ahead and paste your affiliate link right here. Then you're going to add some text right here to make your shortened link more unique. So I'm just going to add my name. Finally, you will need to either sign up or sign in to get your link. So I'm going to click sign up and get your link. And you can sign up with a username, email address, and password, or you can just sign in with your Google account. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Okay, so once you sign in, you'll get the unique bit.ly link that you can use to actually promote your offers, and this will direct people to your affiliate links. So go ahead and add that unique link into your emails. So let's copy. And I'm going to search for this URL to see if it actually takes people over to the affiliate offer that I'm trying to promote. And as you can see, it does take me over to this affiliate offer right here from System.io. So let's jump over to my affiliate dashboard for System.io. And you can see that I've made almost $400 in lifetime earnings using this exact method to promote offers on System.io. Now, I haven't promoted offers on System.io for a while, but I'm still earning recurring commissions. So you can see that I've earned one commission here on the 27th of June and another on the 8th of June. So these commissions are recurring, and it's one of the reasons why I like promoting offers that are recurring, because you get paid over and over again for one bit of work. Just a quick recap. In this video, I showed you how to set up an affiliate marketing business using solo ads. I showed you where to find great solo ad vendors to promote your offers and great affiliate products that you can actually go ahead and promote. If you found value in this video, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for future updates. My name is Theron Mitchell. I really appreciate you watching my content. If there's another video popping up on your screen right now, it's definitely relevant and gonna help you build your business even further. So go ahead, click that link, and I'll see you in the next video.